Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix developer options are missing in Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're using S24 and you're facing the issue that your developer options are missing in your phone or and your Samsung phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, go to settings here and your Samsung phone. You might get developer options right at the end of your settings, but there's not any developer options, so it might be that developer options are not be enabled on your phone. Now to enable that, you have to go to your about phone section here, just scroll down, go to software informations. You might see build number here, so you have just make 7 clicks on this build number. So let's try this. There's the 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You may see the start pop-up error or pop-up confirmation message. Just click OK. Developer mode is now enabled. Just go back and to main settings. Now just scroll down and you will see developer options here. But if you're facing the issue that you have to make 7 clicks on your developer options, but your developer mode is still not enabled, or you're unable to get developer options here, so sometime it might be in your general management or in your system management, you might see developer options. But developer options are missing on your phone, so you can go to search for developer options here. If you are still unable to get your options, so you can try to make a force restart or a restart your device because it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a restart. Just click on the power icon, click on restart button again, and once you have restarted, you have to retry to enable developer options. So once you have enabled, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.